The Revenue Department is in full swing, preparing for the upcoming GST Council meet that's going to take place on the 18th and 19th in Srinagar. The meet is crucial as the fitment, that is the various tax rates for the goods and services, will be finalized at this meeting. Adrija Chatterjee here with all the exclusive details. Adrija, what exactly is on the agenda?
Yes, definitely the Revenue Department is now on full swing preparing for the next GST Council meeting to be held at Srinagar on the 18th and 19th of May. What we are getting to know from our sources is that today at 5 p.m. there's going to be a crucial meeting with the Revenue Secretary, briefing them on what is on the agenda when it comes to the next GST Council meeting. It is going to be comprising of all the CBC members who are part of the GST Council as well. Along with that, one of the most important meeting is going to be held tomorrow with the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley at 4 p.m. is going to hold a meeting along with the Revenue Secretary, asking for the update, the recommendation that has been made by the Fitment Committee, and also to see what all has been added to the agenda for now. But interestingly, our sources are also telling us that a recommendation to prepone to ensure that certain elements of the GST law is notified well before July 1st was also made in the internal discussions between the Indirect Tax Department members, but this was a proposal that was immediately shot down by the Revenue Secretary, saying that the state and the centre need to notify the GST laws together. The rationale probably is that they don't want to make the states insecure as of now by notifying GST laws when it comes to those pertaining to the centre before the states do so. So July 1st as of now is going to be the date for both state and centre to notify and implement the GST laws, and a proposal to prepone this for the centre has been rejected. The other thing that is on the agenda, which is extremely well known, are the recommendation of the Fitment Committee, which is almost ready as of now. And the other interesting thing on the agenda is there are 7 trade rulings which pertains to the GST laws are going to be tweaked a little when it comes to their composition, registration and valuation. The reason being that many representations have been made from trade industry bodies in order to do so. So these are the 2 main things on the agenda, and we have to wait and watch that how much is the GST Council going to approve the recommendations of the Fitment Committee that is going to be finalized.